Hi there, welcome to this masterclass, Java in Depth, Become a Complete Java Engineer. This is Dhiru Mundiluru, the instructor for this course. As the course title suggests, the goal for this course is to help you become a complete Java engineer right by the end of this course. A complete Java engineer is someone who has a comprehensive understanding of the Java language along with the many design principles, best practices, and professional coding conventions for building well-designed software. And by the end of this course, you would have practical experience in building a good Java EE-based web application following professional coding principles. In this short video, I'm going to talk about the reasons behind creating this course and what this course offers in order to differentiate itself from all other courses. It is indeed a very unique course. First, here is a brief bio of me. I'm a passionate software engineer and an educator with a PhD in computer science, and I worked for several years as a principal software engineer for startups in and around Silicon Valley, where I developed complex algorithms in areas such as search, data mining, and data integration, where we deal with tons of data, and I used Java for this, and I've been using it for well over a decade now. Currently, I'm the CTO and principal instructor at my own startup where we build full stack engineers in Java and data mining. And everything we teach is based on real products that we build. This course has consistently been ranked as one of the top 3 Java courses on Udemy and has already helped tens of thousands of students across the globe. Students range from absolute beginners to even experienced Java professionals. And these are few of the many large companies where this course is actively being used as part of their official training programs. Now, Java has been around for a few decades now, and there are already lots of good online and offline Java courses with some great reviews too. So the big question is, why do we need yet another Java course? One thing I observed in my career was that sometimes even good software engineers who graduated from top schools and who worked at top companies are failing to write good, clean, and well-designed code. Their code works correctly and efficiently too, but due to poor design, the code is not maintainable. That is, it is not easy to understand and hence not easily extendable. And by poor design, I mean not following proper design principles and best practices. And it could also be due to not understanding the language features very well. To a large extent, I feel this has to do with the way we are taught programming. Most Java courses are good at covering the core language fundamentals, but they are still not comprehensive enough. And many times, motivation behind teaching a concept is also not clearly explained. And they almost always never teach best practices and design principles which are critical for writing high quality code. And most of them do not include a good project that follows professional coding conventions, although concepts are demonstrated via small programs. And this comprehensive masterclass aims to address these shortcomings in current courses. This course takes a holistic approach to teach Java, and it covers most of the language features in a very in-depth way. Everything from language basics to object-oriented design to advanced topics like multithreading, database programming, and functional style programming features like lambdas and stream API are discussed in great detail. And it's not just syntax, but motivation behind introducing these features is also very clearly discussed. Now, one of the highlights of this course is that we discuss several best practices and design principles that a good software engineer is ought to know. Many design principles outlined in the popular Effective Java book are also discussed, and many of them are actually demonstrated in code using our own custom examples. And another highlight is that it also includes an instructor-led project where we develop a full-blown bookmarking web application which helps users to bookmark things like books and movies. And here is a screenshot of one of the web pages where we display a list of books that a user can bookmark. The project starts once we learn the core object-oriented concepts and is then progressively built throughout the course as we learn new concepts like multithreading and databases. At the very end, we learn the basics of Java EE like servlets and JSP, and then we use them to further extend the project into a web application. MySQL is used as the database, and we also follow professional coding conventions like MVC and TDD, which stands for test-driven development. So you're going to gain some good real-world experience right from the comfort of your home or office. So these are the core objectives of this course, and we use Eclipse for writing our programs, and a comprehensive Eclipse tutorial is also included, and it also teaches stuff like debugging Java programs and JUnit testing. Finally, we have a special chapter giving a solid introduction to JVM, which stands for Java Virtual Machine, which is an incredible platform on which Java programs run. Most courses never discuss this topic, or even if they do, they barely scratch the surface. Most chapters end with a challenging quiz, and there are also several coding exercises to validate what you have learned. So together, all of these will help you in becoming a complete Java engineer. And if you're complete, it means you are confident and a happy engineer. Only requirement is to concentrate really well, do all the lectures systematically, and implement all the programs being demonstrated. You can always reach out to me if you have any questions, and I will answer them within a day or so, and my answers are very detailed and personalized too. If you like what you have heard from me, then please go ahead and sign up for this course. Thank you for your time and have fun.